It's nice to know, we'll just throw this in here, talk about it more all day. The way you establish your receiving mode is by what you're broadcasting. You can't be complaining about what is and be in the receiving mode of something better. You can't be complaining about people are behaving and be in the receiving mode of attracting people who behave more in the way you like it. In other words, what you're broadcasting through your words, through your thoughts, what you're broadcasting is what sets your vibration. It's how you practice your transmission, is how you practice your reception. Because when you set your tuner, that transmission and that reception have to be on the same wavelength, don't they? Got to set your radio dial on the same frequency that they're broadcasting from, or you're not going to get it. You, in this case, are the broadcaster and the receiver. You broadcast and receive and broadcast and receive and broadcast. So if you don't have enough money, don't have enough money, don't have enough money, don't have enough money, we're beating the drum, don't have enough money, don't have enough money, don't have enough money, don't have enough money. You know what you're in the receiving mode of? Not having enough money. Look at that person over there. They've got more than they need. They've got more than their fair share. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. You know what you're in the receiving mode of? That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. You have to look for the things that are working in order to help more things work in your experience. You can't look at the lack of what you want and be in the receptive mode of improvement. You can't be in the vibration of the problem, in the vibration of the question. Oh, I've got this question. I just can't get this question answered. I've got this question, this terrible question. I just can't get the answer to this question. That's right. You cannot get the answer to a question that feels like that. It's coming. Oh, the answers are piled upon you. The answers are piled and piled and piled and piled and piled and piled and piled on you. Piled on you. One day Esther came back from being gone for a while, and she picked her car up at the airport, and she had parked it with the nose sort of sticking out a little bit. It was a mini stories, and she was on the ground floor, and her nose was sticking out just a little bit. And when she got in her car, she looked, and it looked like a birthday cake of poop. It was bird poop. Well, that's kind of what we're doing. We're just dropping it on you all the time. We never stop. We never stop. We never stop. We never stop. We just never stop. We just never stop. We just never stop. Finally it gets big enough you see it. We never stop revealing to you the answers that you're looking for. But you got to get in the receptive mode before you know. So, with that very profound demonstration, what do you want to talk about?